Prices in Annapolis are up 9.3% year to date, while buyer showing activity has slowed and homes available to purchase are very limited. It's Friday, January 13th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Sales prices for homes in 21401 are up 3.8%. Those in 21403 are up 8%. 21409 are up 15.6%. Homes for sale fell to a limited 98 homes. 12 new listings hit the market since my last report. 6 homes are coming on the market. 18 went under contract. 10 moved to pending. 16 homes sold in 25 days at 99.1% list to sold ratio. The highest home to sell was in Annapolis for $3,750,000. Rental inventory fell to 27 homes for lease at $2,700 per month, but days on the market continue to rise and now are at 43 days. Is there a move in your 2023 plans? I can help. Let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 13th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.